Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC, I'm going to show you how you would replace your cam position sensor. So your cam position sensor on this 2019 Nissan Rouge is right here, which is next to where you would fill up the oil. So this is your oil filler cap, and then we have the cam position sensor right next to it. So we've got a electrical connector to be undone. I mean, you're going to get an engine code, you're going to get a long start time, and engine code is going to say that the cam position sensor is having inaccurate readings to know which one. So we have a cam position sensor, we have unhooked the electrical connector, and now you're going to, it's a size 10 bolt. So remove the size 10 bolt, and then a lot of times if you just rotate your sensor a little bit and move it back and forth, applying a little pressure, pulling out, we can get it to come out. It's got an O-ring in there that's going to try to keep it in there. Okay. And so that's the cam position sensor as it's been removed. And then you take the new one, make sure the O-ring is on it and that the O-ring came off of the old one that you pulled out. And then you're just going to kind of move it back and forth and press it in. And you want to make sure it goes in fairly easy but on its own with just a little pressure. You don't pinch the O-ring in there and then have a leak. And then tighten your number 10 bolt up. The bolt's tight. And now just make sure you hook your electric connector back up. And then you would start the car and delete the code and make sure that it doesn't come back on. And if it does, well then you know you've got some other issue that is going to need to be fixed. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.